How to restart your iPhone or iPad even if it's frozen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can restart your iPhone or iPad even if it's frozen. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that we'll do to restart our iPhone or iPad is we'll just use our buttons. So we will force restart it, and to do that, first you'll have to press and quickly release the volume up button and then press and quickly release the volume down button. After you do that, just press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After the Apple logo appears, you can simply leave the button, you can release it, and then your iPhone will restart. Now, this is the way that you can force restart your iPhone. And yeah, it's really easy. After doing that, your iPhone or iPad will restart and you can use it just fine. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to our channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And also, don't forget to like the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.